Start with the name of Allah, who is kind and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, welcome to all of you. Today we discuss chapter number 1. The name of chapter is Programming Techniques. In this tutorial, we discuss the exercise of chapter number 1, including short question and long questions. Start from short question. First question is define computer. A computer is an electronic machine that takes data from user known to be as a input. Then the processor of a computer process on it and then show result as a output. And this output is shown on a monitor as well as printer. Computer can help in communication from over the network. Second question is what is algorithm and what is role of algorithm in problem solving method? An algorithm is a procedure or step-by-step instruction for solving a problem. They form the foundation of writing a program which known to be as a coding. Roles of algorithm. It is first and important steps for developing a computer program. An algorithm describes a specific computational procedure for achieving input and output relation between program. And one of the best advantage and role of algorithm is to control the error rates. What is flowchart? A flowchart is the combination of two words flow and chart. Basically, it represents the algorithm in a pictorial form. The flowchart show the step boxes, various kind of their order and connected with each other with the help of rows known to be as a direction lines. Next question is what are the advantages of flowchart? One of the biggest benefit and advantage of flowchart is that to visualize multiple progress in the sequence into a single document. There is many other advantages of flowchart just described with the help of name. Instant communication, it's mean easy to communicate from user to programmer. Effective coordination, increase the efficiency rate, effective analysis, and one of the important is help in problem solving method. Draw any four symbols of flowchart. I describe here first is a rectangular symbol known to be as a process symbol, then parallelogram, input and output operations written in this diagram. Next one is the diamond symbol known to be as a decision and condition symbol. And last one is connector. Here is another different types of symbol, for example direction lines, connector symbols, etc. Now from long question. First question is discuss the steps involved in a problem solving. Here we describe just headings. First is defining the problem, next analyzing the problem, planning the solution of problem, candidate solution. What is meant by candidate solution? It's mean a one problem can solve by a many method. So which one is the best known to be as a candidate solution, and which are the criteria to select the best solution? It's depend on speed, cost and complexity. This whole long question is given in your textbook. Kindly match with me. Next question is write an algorithm to calculate the area of rectangle. So start. Step 1 is input width and length. Then formula of area of rectangle is length multiplied by width. Value store into A. Then output show or display, you can use anyone, A and then N. Write an algorithm to that input length in inches and calculate it in centimeter. So step 1 is start. Next input inches value is denoted by I, and the formula of inches from converted into centimeter is that value of inch multiplied by 2.4. So it directly convert into a centimeter. So I mean a value given in a input multiply by 2.4, a value stored in a cm means centimeter, then print cm, then stop. Algorithm that input marks show its pass or fail and marks are 33. Start input marks denoted by M, If marks greater than equal to 33, then print pass. Otherwise, go to step 3, that is print fail. It means if condition is wrong, then step 3 will be run, stop. Write an algorithm to find a sequence 20 plus 25 from start from 20 and end on 60 with a sum. Step 1 is initialize the value k equal to 20 because series start from 20. Then formula is sum equal to sum plus k value again and again saving the sum. Show also output sum. Increment by 5, which means k equal to k plus 5. K is denoted as a formula name. Check if k less than equal to 60, loop will continue. Otherwise, if condition is false, go to step 5, then stop. This program is run till condition is true and less than or equal to 60. Same as a product sequence 1, start from 1 and multiply till 15. Initialize the value k equal to 1, k here is the name of formula, then p for product, p equal to p multiplied by k, increment by 2 because in our question 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, the series of jump is 2. Otherwise, if this program run till condition is 2 mean less than equal to 15. Otherwise, go to step 5, that is stop. Algorithm to print multiplication of a table in reverse order. It's mean opposite. So we start n equal to 8, the number which you want to take a table, and k equal to 10. K here denoted as loop and start from 10. Product equal to n multiplied by k, then show output p for product, n number of value of table, and k is loop. Decrement 1 by 1, it's mean 8 multiplied by 10 equal to 80, then 10 decreases minus 1 known to be as a 9. Check k is greater than equal to 1. This program and condition run till k greater than equal to 1 and then go to step 2, and when condition false it directly goes to step 6, that is stop. This is your last question of your exercise. Hope so you can easily understand. Thank you.